Hi everybody, welcome to Crazy Boys RC. The upcoming video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I ordered the Killer RC kill switch for my losi dbxl. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unpackaging on it, just to show everybody and so that they have an idea what comes in the package. Well, hope you guys enjoy the video and also the trailer right before my video starts. Hi everybody, I hope you like the trailer, and here what I'm going to do is open this package up. It came from Killer RC, and pretty much what it is a killer switch for my losi dbxl. I'm just going to open the package. It's pretty much just opening the package and showing you what's included, what comes inside. So let's see what we have here. Okay, we got a bubble wrap, all the goodies inside. Alright, what is this? Oh, look. Looks like they also include a thank you mint. Thank you, Killer RC. This is something that I definitely recommend for everybody, especially if you have any 5th scale buggies. I just hate to see anybody's, or including mine's, just run away. So, let's see what we have here. Oh, there's the mint. There is the kill switch with the buzzer and the module, pretty much to shut it off. So the first thing we have here would be the module with the buzzer. You got pretty much your receiver and your ignition coil. So as you can see, Super B. So looks pretty nice. Really excited of putting on my losi and trying it out. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we got a pretty much the manual stop switch with the harness that's going to connect to the module, and that's what will cause the buggy to shut off remotely, and if any glitches are detected or if it runs out of battery. And here pretty much is zip tie, business card, and favorite stuff, decals. I love decals. I flip it around a couple of times because they're kind of just all put there all over the way. So definitely something that everybody needs. And best thing about it is that it's got instructions included. They are pretty detailed, pretty straightforward. Just kind of tells you how it works and the settings and stuff you could change. Now if you're using Spectrum, they recommend sensitivity for the glitch 1. It's just the way it is. And here's another flyer. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, subscribe. Any other videos, if you want to see me give tips on how I did to install it, or once it's working, let me know. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the trailer and the video. Bye bye.